You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to apply for Robinhood Gold Card. So here's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can easily apply for Robinhood Gold Card. So one of the quickest methods is to open the Robinhood app and log into your account using your account credentials. Then after that, you have to tap the menu or navigate to the card sections. Then select Robinhood Gold Card. Then tap apply now. So once you tap apply now, enter your personal information, which is your name, address, your income, your SSN if required. Then after that, review the terms and conditions, tap submit application, wait for approval status. You may get an instant decision or within a few days, depends on their customer term. So if approved, you will receive the gold card by email. And once it arrives, open the Robinhood app, then go to card section, then tap activate card. Set your PIN and start using your Robinhood Gold card, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.